Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to delete rows in Excel file which are matching some particular pattern. For example, in a row AB cells are none and CD cells are not none. So if a particular pattern is matched, how to delete those rows, we'll see. Okay. So this requires Openpyxl. If you don't have, then go to command prompt and do this command to install the OpenPyXL. Then we'll import that. Then import OS for files and file directory and files handling. So here in C drive, I am taking three files here. So file 1, file 2, file 3. Okay. So these are having some blanks. Okay. So for example, in file 1, I want to delete the rows which are matching particular pattern. That is A and B are none and C and D are not none. Okay. So only these rows should be deleted here. Okay. And yeah, that's all. So CD should not be blank and AB should be blanks. Those rows only should be deleted. Other rows like one cell, this should not be deleted. Here also one cell blank, this should not be deleted. Okay. For example, I'll make all blank. So that row also should not be deleted. Okay. So like this, I have three files. Okay. So let's see how we'll delete these rows. I'll close these files here. Okay. So here I am taking the directory C drive delete blanks. Then I am searching the file names with Excel extension. Then each file name I am taking from the delete blanks and the sheet name is the sheet one. Okay. So OpenPyXL will load the workbook. Then we'll take the worksheet with the help of this command workbook in bracket sheet name, that is sheet 1. So we'll get the worksheet. Then I am taking I equal to 1. Okay. So from 1 to length of the rows. Okay. I am parsing this for loop from 1 to length of the rows because I want to access the cells, particular cells. So they will start from A1, not A0, right, in Excel. That's why we have to parse from 1 to length of the rows. Then only we can access A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3 cells, right? So we'll take from 1 to length of the rows. So it is, we are saving the rows in the tuple. Okay, ws dot rows means the rows are in the tuple. Okay, so if you want to see the how the rows look like, we'll print and see. Okay, here let me comment out these things. Okay, let us run this code. So these are the rows of the Excel files. Okay, guys. So each row is in the tuple. So I'm saving in the tuple and I am accessing the each row with the help of index. Okay. Then I will go to each cell and I will see this pattern. Okay. So let me comment out this and remove these comments from here. Okay. So once you got the row, we'll see the each cell. So here in OpenPyXL, WSA1 means A1 cell. Okay, sheet name here and cell here. Okay, so dot value means it will give the value of that cell. If that value is none, A and B equal to none, and C and D equal not equal to none. So that is the pattern we want. So whatever pattern you want, you can give here. Okay, so those rows only it will delete. Then that is matched. Then we are appending the I to the index list here. Okay. Then we'll sort this list in ascending order. Then we will go to that list and delete the each row using this command in OpenPyXL. Delete rows index minus 1. So why we are giving the index minus 1, I will explain you. Let me comment out this. Okay. So remove the comment here and we'll see what are the rows here which are having this pattern and what it is doing, index minus I. Okay, so let's run this. So these are the rows which are having the pattern is matched. Okay, so fourth row, fifth row, sixth, 11th and 12th are matching here. So in that from we are removing the I. Okay, so that means if you want to remove the first matching row, then subtract 0 and remove that row, because we have to remove that row itself. So no need to offset that. But when you deleted this row, the next row will come by one step up, right? So then we have to remove the -1 and delete that row. When you deleted these two rows, third row will go up by two steps. That's why we have to remove 2 from this I and take that index and remove that index with the using of delete rows. Okay guys, like that 3 files will do and we'll delete all the matching rows. Okay guys, so let's see that. I'll comment out this, remove comment here, then we'll run this program and see the output now. Okay, let's go to our files, open the file. See, whatever the rows which are matching the pattern A, B, none and CD or not none, those rows are all deleted. Okay, so which are not matching that pattern are here, which are matching that pattern, those are deleted. Okay, this is the file 1. Let's see file 2. So file 2 also same, which are A, B none and CD are not none, those are deleted. In file 3 also same thing, right? Okay, so AB are none and CD are not none, those are deleted, and other than those patterns, those are retained. Okay guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi Tutorials for more such amazing videos on Python. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.